No doubt, recovering from a stroke can be one of the biggest challenges when you experience a stroke. Stroke not only affects your physical strength but can also impact your speech, memory, and overall brain functions. While medications and therapies are essential for recovery, what you eat also plays a crucial role in how fast and effectively your body heals. The truth is, your diet can either help you recover faster or slow down your progress. The foods you choose daily have a direct impact on your blood flow, brain health, and nerve repair. That's why in today's video, I will tell you about the foods you must avoid during stroke recovery if you truly want to heal faster and prevent another stroke. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy, and with my long clinical experience in treating neurological and cardiovascular disorders, today I will guide you on what foods to immediately cut off from your diet to speed up your stroke recovery and protect your brain health. So stay tuned and watch this video till then. See, a stroke occurs when the blood supply to your brain is interrupted or reduced and your brain tissues do not get enough oxygen and nutrients. This damages brain cells and can cause weakness, paralysis, speech difficulties, or memory issues. After a stroke, maintaining a healthy diet helps improve blood flow, reduce cholesterol, and promote brain healing. But at the same time, certain foods can make recovery slower, increase the risk of blood clots, or damage your heart and brain further. So let's discuss the 7 major foods you should avoid during stroke recovery. The first thing you must eliminate from your diet is salt-rich and processed foods. Excessive salt increases your blood pressure, which is the leading cause of stroke recurrence. Processed food like canned soups, instant noodles, packaged snacks, frozen meals, and pickles are loaded with sodium and preservatives. These foods can make your blood thicker and more prone to clotting, something extremely dangerous for stroke survivors. Instead, you can choose fresh fruits, leafy greens, and whole grains that naturally balance your sodium and potassium levels. High-fat dairy products like butter, cheese, cream, and whole milk contain saturated fats that can clog your arteries and reduce blood flow to your brain. While calcium and vitamin D are necessary for recovery, these full-fat dairy options are not ideal. Instead, you should go for low-fat milk, Greek yogurt, or plant-based alternatives like almond milk or soy milk, which support nerve repair without harming your heart. Fried items like pakora, samosa, fries, donuts, or burgers may taste tempting, but they are rich in trans fats and cholesterol, which increases bad cholesterol LDL and reduce good cholesterol HDL. This raises your risk of another stroke. You can replace these with grilled, baked, or steamed food. Include healthy fats such as flax seeds, walnuts, chia seeds, and olive oil, which protect your arteries and boost brain function. Coffee, energy drinks, sodas, and even excessive tea can cause irregular blood pressure and dehydration. Caffeine can also interfere with your sleep, which is essential for brain healing after a stroke. You can replace these beverages with green tea, chamomile tea, or herbal teas, which have antioxidants that support recovery and calm your nervous system. Foods like white bread, pastries, sweets, sugary cereals, and sodas can lead to sudden spike in blood sugar. This is especially risky because many stroke survivors also develop diabetes or insulin resistance. Too much sugar can cause inflammation in the blood vessels and slow down the recovery of brain tissues. You can replace these with whole grains, fruits, lentils, and vegetables, which give you sustained energy without affecting blood sugar levels. Alcohol is extremely harmful for a stroke. It interferes with your blood pressure control, damages the liver, and depletes essential nutrients required for nerve repair. Regular alcohol consumption can also interact with stroke medications like blood thinners and make them less effective. It's best to avoid alcohol completely and instead keep your body hydrated with coconut water, fruit infused water, or lemon water. Bacon, sausages, ham, and red meat are loaded with saturated fats and nitrates, which cause inflammation and damage the blood vessels. Over time, these foods contribute to plaque buildup, reducing oxygen supply to the brain. Instead, you can switch to lean proteins such as eggs, fish, legumes, lentils, and tofu, which promote tissue repair and muscle recovery. So these were the top 7 foods you should completely avoid during stroke recovery. Remember, a stroke-friendly diet can make a huge difference in your healing journey. But along with balanced diet, holistic and natural medicines can help your brain heal faster and reduce the risk of another stroke. See, homeopathy works on the root cause of the disease and helps improve blood circulation, nerve health, and mental stability, all without any side effects. At Bharat Homeopathy, we have treated thousands of stroke patients successfully with a personalized diet plan and customized homeopathic treatment that targets every individual's unique symptoms and lifestyle. We take a complete case history including diet, lifestyle, stress factors, and physical symptoms. And we create a personalized treatment plan to help you recover faster and regain confidence in life. So, if you or your loved one is recovering from a stroke, don't delay your healing. You can call us today for expert guidance and a personalized treatment plan. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeo Paralysis Relief YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay positive.